I'm going to show you how to get rid of all ads on your phone completely free without needing to install any third-party apps. I think one thing we can all agree is that ads are everywhere and no one likes them. Sometimes the integration of ads is more subtle and sometimes really disruptive, depending on the site or app you're using. This site, for example, is pushing me a ton of massive ads after each paragraph. In some apps, you'll see ads within the app like this one here, or this blue one on the bottom. Not as massive, but still kind of annoying. Your phone has the ability to use a private DNS address, which allows you to block all ads whether it's on websites or inside your downloaded apps. It sounds kind of techy, but it's actually super easy to set up and anyone can do it. We'll go to Settings first, and on my Samsung phone, I'll go to Connections. On some phone models, this is under Network and Internet Settings. Then we'll find something called Private DNS. On my phone, it's under More Connection Settings. Yours might be under a different menu depending on what Android version you're using. If you can't find it, just search for DNS in the settings search bar. Then we'll change the DNS setting from automatic to a private provider hostname. There's a variety of providers out there that allow you to use their DNS service completely free. One that specializes in blocking ads is called AdGuard, and I'll type their hostname here, dns.adguard-dns.com. I'll include this in the description too, so you can check it from there. A DNS is like the internet's phone book. When your phone loads a website or app, it asks a DNS server where to find everything it needs. A custom DNS can block known ad servers, so when your phone tries to load something from one of those servers, it simply never gets the address. Because of that, the ad can't load and it never appears on your device, while the page or app itself still works normally. When I load that same website now, it'll show me a placeholder for the ad, and once the page fully loads, the ad slot goes away. I've noticed the behavior depends on the site or app I'm using. Some of them will show a blank spot for the ad, some will just eliminate the blank spot completely. Those apps I showed earlier now look like this with my private DNS enabled. And here's a comparison I did on two separate phones looking at the same article online. One of them is using the private DNS and the other one is not. Pretty big difference in the appearance. A couple of notes before we wrap up. Sometimes using a private DNS could block your phone from showing the login page that's needed to use Wi-Fi at airports or hotels. If that happens, just go back to the DNS menu, change it back to automatic, and once you're logged into the Wi-Fi, you can swap back to private DNS. Also worth noting that even though this blocks most ads, it's unable to block ads on YouTube. YouTube serves their ads from the same domain as the video itself, so DNS is unable to work around that. Because a private DNS doesn't require any third-party apps, it doesn't affect battery life at all. When it comes to internet speed, it usually doesn't slow down your internet. When your phone loads a website, it asks a DNS server for the address, and using a custom DNS can sometimes add a few extra milliseconds for that lookup. But in many cases, things actually load faster because the DNS blocks ad and tracking servers, so your device downloads fewer things in the background. Your actual internet speed stays the same, and it doesn't affect download speed. You might actually save some data because you're not loading ads. And that's how you get rid of ads. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.